Hello, this is Nam again. I'm gonna immediately finish my little shower scene here because I'm just having too much fun with it. I know that blocks adapted this little menu here to not longer show any models but just show pictures of models. But honestly, it's a bit hard to make out what they are. I mean, look, what's this? I know what it is, but I guess that if you publish them, they get nicer pictures. Have I liked models? Oh, I'm not signed in. Labs. This should go on. This should go on. The rest can stay off. And we're back. Here's my little shower. I need a few extra elements before I can add this thing to my world. And let's say hook it up to the water supply and stuff. I wanna have a little how do you call it? Let's do it green. Nah, let's do brown. A little spout crane. I mean like a water tap. So there's just this stick here in the ground. Let me add some ground for just for reference to see how big the thing is turning out. So I imagine that we can have a little bit of wood over here. You know what? I'm gonna make a nice bit of wood over there. My usual woodsy wood trick. 2 bits of wood over here and over here. And it's instantly more woody than just using a block. I know it's a bit much, but I like doing stuff like this really. Also, this may offers the opportunity to color the inside faces differently, which is kind of nice, like so. And then we need a attachment thing here. Oh, spike, leg spike. So you go this way, yes. Yeah, these two. Oh, wait a moment. I can make this somewhat thicker because I can put it inside this wood bit. I will need this face and this face. Move them over here. It's pretty much the same thing as this one, but I'll just remodel it again and again because it's just too much fun to do. There we go. Oh, let me quickly check on the volumes and stuff because I noticed I was a bit soft in the past video. I had to crank up the volume, which is never a good idea. Seems the mic is now picking me up. I see windows here where you see nothing. I see a window with my mic display here. Okay, so a water tap. I guess we do it from the lighter material. We will want a bit over here. We will want maybe a bit over here. Different subdivisions. Like so. Nice little droopy tap there. And because I'm a sucker for it, I'm gonna make sure to actually extrude the underside, even though we're probably sticking our holes into this thing. I just like to be over complete, I guess. What am I doing? Because if I'm running my scripts, things like this don't cost an extra material. It's just another location on the UV map, so it costs me nothing to just color it in a little. Okay, now again, without any reference, there should be like a thing that the valve sticks into over here, I guess. Let's make it a bit too big. Extrude out a round bit at the bottom. You know what? Just like so. Yeah. Oh! Excuse me. Sometimes I scare myself. Yeah, we're getting there. It seems a bit big, maybe. I guess there's no middle way. I can't. Oh, okay, this is the middle way. Yes, cool. We will need at least another color over here. Okay, this is no good. So then, yeah. I think I'm reaching the snapping limits again here. Yeah. So, like so. Now we need like a spherical shape here. So just quickly make that. This is funny. Yeah, sometimes it thinks it remembers me picking up a face there to extrude. Usually you have to press undo after extrusions if you want to lose your face selection. So we call this a spherical shape. Better, we do it like so. And we want to have a sphere over here and a sphere over here. I guess it's a bit much, right? Yeah, that's a bit much. Okay. Preliminary grouping. I can't go smaller than this. That's too bad. Okay. Let's ungroup. See, I can make single elements smaller, just not the whole thing weird. Okay. Well, let's. I thought about tab like that. I'm just putting it on human scale again, seeing how it looks. And I think I wanna. Oh, this is so annoying. I noticed that blocks scales up by different amounts than down, so you can get in between sizes by continually scaling up and down. Oh, excuse me, you stay over there. I'm not sure if I'm correct there. Yeah, let's go. This looks good. Could be a bit bigger, but maybe we can begin it by hand, like so. Mastery full and begined. Okay. We will want to have a thing leading down into this. We may want to have an extra thingy over here. And that's the bit that rotates, I guess. Let me put it more or less in the center here so it can rotate nicely. Once I put my axis systems in. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. I'll worry about rotating it around later, because it doesn't matter now. I wanted this to be interactable in the world, so I might as well keep it straight here and only rotate it after I place the axis. Okay, let me see. Let's group this up. Let's put it more or less in the center here and attach metally stuff at the back. It's around this size. Big leg spikes here. What happens if I put this here? Could be nice. Just another connector over here. So, that's a good tap. I shall now, thinking about it, the leads to tap like this always come from the back, right? So I will need a watery hose like this. Well, to come out of the back and disappear into the ground. Let me just group this baby up first. So, and since this is all metal, I'm gonna keep it separate from this bit, I guess. Then start laying down. My tubing here. I'd imagine that there might be bits of copper sticking out of the back here. Attached with lug nuts. Lug nuts, I don't know. What do people call these things? And there. And now we can put in our garden hose. And then let's just imagine that the guy putting these things all over the place dug holes and trenches to lead the water everywhere. It just disappears into the ground, comes up elsewhere again. This bit here, we might wanna copy what happens here a little, just because it looks kind of nice. So there's this here. I'm just now noticing that this is brown instead of orange, and the orange is my go-to copper color. Oh, going wild. Oop. I'm assuming you're hearing the blocks interface sounds, because sometimes when handling tiny stuff like this, it goes quite wild on you. Okay, here, a little fake isolation tape trick again. See, that's more than enough. And then we just put this over here. Sure. How do I pick up this bit here? Oh, sorry, I'm in simplified mode. I want to pick up this thing here. Nope. This thing here. Yes. Nope. this thing. Yes. There we go. Cool. Is that tiny enough? Yeah. Excellent. I love it. Okay. So now this is a group which is fully metal. Can get its own material, I guess. This is a woody group. And then we have a... I should maybe connect this to this group. There. And I think I also should connect this. Yes. So this is my group now. I should connect these babies together. And I'm also adding... I do that all over the place in APOTU. Extras like struts next to the poles, as if they got a bit loose and someone tried to tighten them up by putting bits of wood into the hole so that they become more stable, so to say. Maybe in this case I even... It's idiotic. What am I doing? Please stop me now. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna put rope around it. Let's see. These are all wooden colors. Let me use the yellow for rope here then. 5 should be enough. Okay, let's go for 6. Subdivision. 6 side. There we go. So I use the same trick I use for the taping bit. I also use for rope. Just an end side around the whole construction. Tighten it up a little. Even put maybe extra bit over here. And that looks enough like rope to be believable to me. Double this to, let's see, may want to enlarge these bits a bit so I can move these two up a little. Well, one of them. I move one of them up. Okay. Noise. There we go. Maybe move one through the other here. And to really sell the rope idea, I like to put a knot in it, like so. This also all over the place in my little caravan plot. So that's roped up neat and tidily. Let me group that. There we go. Oh, it's just your grouping. This seems good. And then let me just put some extra detail into the wood here, just because it can look nice to have some extra like wood grain in here. This is a bit subtle. Where's my vertex? Here's a vertex. There you go. Wood grain. You know what? To suggest that this pole here was really hammered in, I'll put a blunted off top on it. I don't know. I hope so, as if someone hit it with a hammer a lot and managed to build up the top of the wooden thing a little. Here's another vertex. I can really pull this downwards. Here's another vertex that I can pull down. Right. Cool. So I hope that works. It's like, yeah, I like the effect of that. Could also do it there, but I think this should be enough for now. Oh, look at me forgetting little details like this. Yep. That's good. Ah, and only now I'm discovering there are nails missing here. Because how else would you attach a thing like this? Of course, I realize this is being a bit silly, modeling the old nail that goes on inside, but oh well, who cares? So. Now the question is, these being metal, do I group them? Yeah, I just group them with the wooden bits and worry about it later. There we go. Cool. I have enough like little bits of grass and stuff to fill this out a little once I place it in the world. So I'll leave this one at this. Although I'm realizing now that this is just only a tap. If this piece is behind the wall of the shower unit, it should be connected to this bit here. So let's model a slightly differently colored bit of garden hose here, and maybe use the color later on to tell a story about what is connected to what. What I'm going to do here is model it so I can rotate this around, so this hose will point in different directions. Should take care to make sure that the bit that gets screwed onto the tap itself won't penetrate with the tap. I'll keep it in the same color at least, that will help a little. This is a 6-side, so let's use a 6-side. So, let's do it like this. And then a bit of copper on the inside, or something. Yeah, that looks like it's screwed on right. Should be good. Good enough. I won't put tape around here because else it's going to be boring. There's tape in enough places right now. Let me give them all a different color just to see if it makes me think of something nice to do with that. So I need to group this and this, and not with the rest. This is the attachment bit. Okay. Savey. Cool. Okay. slight break because I think I have something rendering in the background that I need to upload. Hold on a moment. Right. Back again. Things are recording again. Okay, so that's one. Everything nicely grouped. And another thing I realized. I hope you remember that this shower will be placed inside a rather haphazardly built shack in the middle of a muddy plot of land, really. So, if we don't do anything here, like on the floor, it will just muddle up. So I was imagining maybe our protagonist has stolen some kind of shower floor from somewhere, and we should really muddle that out as well. Now, what colors do we use? I don't know. Let's see. I'm not sure how these things look really. Guess they will have rounded corners, but let me just get something started first. So there's like a floor piece here. Let me just judge the size of that. Yeah, it should be, I imagine this would be made of plastic and being disconnected from a complete shower unit at some time in the past. So we have probably a bit of a... Oh, look here, you can see it happen. I scale down and then up, and it's slightly smaller than the stuff below. So if I scale down and up, then down and up, then I have a nice size to work with. So keeping it. Then I want to go just inside. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This should do. Then go down again. Oh, we only get smaller. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, I think something like this. Okay, and then big magic trick. We will model in the little bits where the water should flow. Let's... Oh, we can't do that in grid mode. Okay, so we place it over here, I guess. A bit to the side, to the edge here, and just mess with it in points mode. Okay, let me visualize that a bit better. This is our spot. Visualize, that's not a word in this case. Okay, so I guess it should be a little... Yeah, it should be quite a bit bigger. Thinking. Well, let's just get to work. I think we should have it like be this size. Cool. Then where do I point the edge? Guess I could do it over there. Won't be very nice once this starts getting into shape, because well, it won't matter too much. It's a broken down old shower anyway, so it can look a little messy. That's okay. So that's the big part where the water can go. Just a tiny bit more symmetric, please. Like so. Okay, and then let me use a different color here. And then we extrude another bit. Let me just check how big this is. This should be good. And that then just goes outside, well, downwards, and be all dark and stuff. So there. And now it's a perfect time to make another loop cut. There. I was thinking, by the way, when I checked the previous video, okay, I want to make this black, that's what the loop cut is for, but I couldn't select the loop cut. But now I'm thinking maybe I can select it by keeping pressing this button. Nope. Shame, shame, shame. Can I select it by... I'm just holding the trigger here. No, nope. I can't. Is there no way to select a loop cut? Let me check. Don't press loop divide, add face, edge, vertex deletion to eraser. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so loop cuts are sadly unselectable. There we go. Cool. Looking good. And then, of course, we will make quite the ill-fitting little drain cap here. These things never fit, right? There we go. Oh god. This wasn't smart. I want it a little thicker. But I'm at the edge of what Google will allow me to do. Is this too thick, maybe? Let's just keep it like this, okay. And then, as with the shower head, I'll just fake the holes in this with a few well-placed shapes. So, let's see. Black. So, maybe one bigger. This might be a little too big. Let me check. Oh! Yeah. It's so precise. Nope. This is part of the joy, I guess, of modeling in VR like this. I mean, you get to create your own world fully. And stuff like this then, you can just make it matter. It doesn't, but it's too much fun. Oh, to not have it matter, so to say. I'm sure you know what I mean. Let's mirror you just to add a little variety. And one more here. And one more here. There we go. Cool. Actually, like this one a lot. Yes. Okay, let's group it up. Glats, 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 glats. Oh, glats, glats. Oh, glats. Yes. There we go. Okay, I will model in bit on the bottom. Oh, wait a moment. I can just pick up this shape here, which saves me one, I guess, not more than one polygon. Oh well. So, yes, I'm modeling the inside of the drain cap here because it matters. And then I'm gonna tell you, yes, I will also model a little sticky out pit that goes here. This is how it looks. Goes inside there and be like a kind of swan neck type construction. There we go. We call that in the Netherlands like the bit you have at the bottom of a sink, you know, the thing that goes like this and then go up and then go down under a sink. We call that a swan neck. And it's a similar construction here. It just catches the worst bits of gunk coming through the grating here. And I guess we are gonna make this very black. This is good enough, right? Yes. This is nice. Okay, let me connect this up. Let me put you in your place. Never fitting, ever. Like it's meant to be. Even better, I guess, when I make this stuff work and there's water streaming down, I'm gonna have this bit bob up and down when the water comes under it. Just like in real life. Well, just like in my real life. Okay, now let me gunk up the shower here a little. Maybe some blue or something, some color that yells dirty. Like this bit of brown here. Okay, just some corner filth. Oh, here, I was looking for you. Vertex, thinking it can hide from me. I can hide, but I will find it. Corner gunk. Oh, what's this complaint about? I don't know. I think this should be good. I guess I want it more like so. Yeah, just a bit of extra gunk here. You know. Go. I like my gunk. Ooh, here we have nice wrong subdivisions. Cool. I guess that's because of the inside pulleys there. This doesn't solve a thing, but this should maybe solve it a little. Maybe I go. I'm just rearranging. Oh. Oh, why are you doing that? I'm not sure what happens now. I'm in loop cut mode. Not anymore. I want to solve this little ugly polygon over here. I have no idea what it's coming from. And I think Blocks has no idea either. Nope, this is completely corrupted now. So let me... I think I need this edge. Yes, there we go. Now it's fixed, I hope. That's the trouble with allowing non-planar polys. You can get weird friggin' polys. But this is all fine. I guess that's why they put it in the lab type section of Blocks. To make sure that people that use it think they know what they're dealing with. Which is important, I guess, for such a low, well, such an approachable program as Blocks is. Just adding a few subdivisions here. Let me see. Oh, someone's calling me. One moment. All right. That was my mom. She's kidnapping me for dinner, so I should... Well, I'm actually pretty much finished here. I could do more fancy stuff, but I wanted to add just a little extra gunk in this corner here that I don't really have a good color for. Because gunk... Oh, wait, yeah, I would need gunk over here, obviously. I am an expert in gunk placements, people. I know where gunk goes. I've been watching gunk all my life. Oh! The snapping limit again. Should be good. And let me add an edge over here. Well, no. Over here, maybe. Just because I know where it goes. So this is just a bit of extra residue that didn't manage to fully reach the drain. Maybe. Will it let me make a nice subdivision to the middle of the edge? I think it won't. Nope, it won't. That's too bad. I will make a dirty subdivision then. And snap these points together and get it right up to the edge. Should be good. Yep, I like it. So let's group this up like so. Let's move it down just a little so it doesn't get in the way. Oh, in the way of my hose here. Which is a bit of a problem, maybe. If I place this in my world, will this bit interfere with the hose, which could happen because I really can't tell how high the floor is related to this. Let me check the time. I only have a few. So what I'm gonna do is assume that this floor here is the right size, which it is. It will stick up quite a bit because it will be resting on the ground here, somewhere here, and the ground should not penetrate the basin here. And I'm just gonna remodel this bit a little. Grouping is good, right? Yes. And that's just a matter of first making sure to only pick up these bits here. Careful, careful, careful. Yes! This should most definitely now there's a bit of a nasty kink in the hose, and like so, and then I just muffle it away somewhere over there in Unity. So I think I have now all elements in place. A thing I thought about adding was a shower curtain, but that would just be enormously silly. There's a closed off shed. It's all, you know, your own place. There might be a window there. Maybe we put a bit of cloth in front of the window that you can close when you want to have a shower. But why have a shower curtain if you're in your own building, right? Well, maybe to prevent everything from getting horribly wet. But I don't think that will be a problem in the little shed world. So, guess this is it. This is my my shower bits, and I forgot to save again. So, I'll leave it at this. Bit of a short fit, but I hope it was enjoyable enough. I'll be implementing shower bits in maybe in a bit in the future, but let me just see how far it goes off camera. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.